stop this, but still I am here, I am dealing, I am struggling, and I am learning, and I am enough confident today. Hello everyone, today welcome in my YouTube channel, and today I am just checking how much progress I made in learning this English language. Today I completed 1 month of learning English journey. So I want to know from the day when I started what was my level, and from now what is my level. So let's start it and start this video. I would like to talk to you about the first day of my learning journey. So the first day when I was talking to my friend, and she is saying to me, just talk to me, I am here, I am talking to you in English and you have to reply me in English. That moment I feel my all mind is blank. I have nothing to say, what to say next. What she is asking some question and I know how to speak, but I was like, I was just dealing with my struggle to speak a word, but I am not able to speak a single word, utter a single word from my mouth. So I feel from that day, and now I am feel so much confident. I achieved confidence, and now I am able to speak in front of camera. This is not possible for all of us. What are the challenges I face? So first of all, I am living with my family, and there is no room for me to study in silence. So this is the hardest and toughest thing for me, because my family are surrounding me. I am listening something, but I am not able to listen that video in English because of the sound they are making in background that make me distracted. This is the first challenge, and other than this is I have to deal with my exams, I have to deal with my cities, I have to deal with my practicals, and then I have to give my time to my English studies learning journey. So I decided, somehow there are so many challenges come in between me, and there is a time when I am not able to understand English from I start from beginning. So I feel so frustrated because I am not seeing any result, and I am giving 101%, still I am not seeing any result. So this make me frustrated, and so I have these challenges which I overcome, and for today I can speak. Yeah, I see improvement, you also see improvement. You can go and check my first video. I uploaded first video on YouTube when I started talking to myself in front of camera, because I upload that video on YouTube because I want to check my label, my improvement, my English, my confidence. So you can see them there, that video, and see this video. You can clearly visualize the result, the confidence which I made now by in 1 month. So it is not easy, it is not easy for me. We all make this. These are challenges I am facing, but still I am stuck to the learning journey. I don't quit. I don't want to quit. And I make a video on which I said I am facing, just stop this. But still I am here, I am dealing, I am struggling, and I am learning, and I am enough confident today. Who knows my journey? I am still in a learning journey. They are appreciating me, they are telling me you have improved a lot, you are still able to speak, because they see me from that time, and that time I'm not able to utter a single word from my mouth, but now I am able to speak. They are saying, you are doing great, just go ahead and do this. Gives me lots of motivation, and I have inside, I have that much motivation and confidence. So I am stuck this journey, I don't want to quit. And I am making mistake nowadays, I am making mistake, but still I am not focusing on my grammar mistake. I am just focusing on my confidence, I am focusing on my speaking, I am focusing on my uttering a word. I am trying to just conversation with anyone. I am dealing this all, and I can make this of myself. Now I will make other to myself. When I see people who are speaking English very fluently, I said, wow, they are so good and they are so nice. But I am not able to speak. But that time I don't think about like I will speak one day. But now I feel like I thought what I did and what I am thinking that time, and now I am able to speak. Yes, I can make. And this is the feeling that gives me so much confidence, And in the beginning I used to on subtitle of any movie of any video, but now I watch movie without subtitle, and I am able to understand, and I am able to understand other accent too. So this is my good achievement. I think I have to just continue this journey, and I will reach my destiny. I know there are many students who just started their English journey. If you are on a journey with English, then just keep going. Don't think about you are not seeing any result. You will see result. You have to just practice more. You have to just give your effort, because little effort count. You know very well. If you are doing something, if you are giving time to anything, you will see the improvement. You don't need to be quiet. Just going and progress takes time. I must say, it took me 1 month for speaking like this. I am still not able to speak perfectly, but still able to speak. That time I am not able to utter a single word. So you see my improvement, and then you have to you have this video to give you confidence. I am giving you confidence. I make it, you also make it. So just practice and focus on you whatever you are doing, giving your time. It one day you will success. This is for all about today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will meet you in next video. Till the end, best of luck for your journey.